If you're looking to replace your existing CPAP machines, look no further. Aeroflow Sleep is your reliable sleep apnea treatment solution. Once you've placed an order with us for a replacement machine, simply click the login button in the top right corner of aeroflowsleep.com. There you can log into your account by entering your email address and password. A tracker should then appear front and center. In this example, the patient's replacement CPAP machine order has been received, but their insurance information has not been verified yet. Aeroflow Sleep needs to verify your insurance in order to get maximum coverage, and all you need to do is click the link below and edit any outstanding insurance information in order to complete this step. As you complete the steps, the check marks will turn green and new steps will appear. Each step must be completed to order CPAP supplies, including verifying your doctor's information, receiving authorization from your insurance company, and confirming your order. The last step is especially important because you'll be able to see your price estimate at that time. If everything looks good, your CPAP order from Aeroflow Sleep will be pending, ready to ship from our warehouse right to your front door. We hope this information is helpful to you, and thanks again for choosing Aeroflow Sleep.